John 3:16.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that He gave the only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life.
Amen. Romans 4:20.
4:20. Is that gonna from the curse to only from my sugar say, get me to because.
Okay, what did Jesus tell him?
Get me to because.
Look, what did Jesus tell him? Come unto me,
Come unto me,
all ye that labor
all that to labor,
and are heavy laden,
but a head laden,
and I will give you rest.
I will give you rest.
Take my yoke upon you,
Take my head upon you,
for my yoke is easy,
for my yoke is easy,
and my burden is light.
and my burden is light.
Where's Jesus? Who's he up there with?
With his father.
With the Father?
Huh?
Okay. Love you.
I love you.
Who makes you beautiful?
Oh, Jesus.